Why color matters more than you think. Have you ever noticed how the same design can feel completely different just by changing its colors? The layout is the same, the typography is the same, the product is the same, but somehow the impression changes. That's the power of color. Color changes perception. Color isn't just about making a design look beautiful, it influences attention, mood, and perception. For example, imagine the same skincare brand using 3 different color palettes. Green can make it feel natural, calm, and healthy. Blue can make it feel professional, reliable, and clean. And warm orange can make it feel friendly, energetic, and approachable. Same design, different impression. So how should you use color in your designs? Start by giving each color a purpose. Use your main color to attract attention, supporting colors to create balance. And don't forget neutral spaces. White, beige, grey or other neutral areas give your designs room to breathe and keep it easy to understand. Think before choosing colors. Here's simple question you should ask before choosing your palette. What should people feel when they see this design? Key design tip. And here's one of the most useful rules. Don't use more colors. Use the right colors. A limited palette with a clear purpose can often create a stronger design than using too many colors. Because a strong color palette doesn't just make a design attractive, it helps people understand and remember it.